So, you wanna install a new SSD and breathe new life into your laptop like Frankenstein, huh? And you wanna say, it's alive! Before you pull the hard drive out, to make sure that your laptop has the newest BIOS update possible. I was such a scared little chicken of this update, although it was just like installing a new program through Windows. I tried to avoid the unavoidable and tried cloning and copying, even trying the SSD from my desktop computer, thinking that it was the SSD's fault, but as it turns out, it wasn't. So, after a 4-day suckfest of trying Windows 7, 8.1 and 10 finally, the only solution was go from this BIOS version, which one you see here, to this BIOS version, which you see right now. And if you want to have an answer to the question, can the Sony Vaio VPCEA24FM get a new awesome speed SSD? And the answer is hell yeah! In this video you can see this new boot time that works as if my computer would have been a completely new one, and as soon as Windows starts I can run almost any programs instantly, and before that I used to have Windows XP and I hate to wait like 2 more minutes till I could start any kinds of program. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I salute you and have a great adventure installing your SSD.